In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up an automated email flow that runs in the background and keeps your audience engaged without you having to send every message manually. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and you're on the home dashboard for the site you want to work on. This is your main control center, where you manage pages, design, settings, and of course, your marketing tools. From the left-hand menu on your dashboard, look for the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This is where Squarespace keeps all of your email marketing features, including newsletters, blasts, and automations. Inside the Campaigns area, you'll see a section called Automations. Click on Automations. This page lists any automations you've already created and is where you'll manage everything related to automated emails. To start a new one, look for the button that says Create Automation and click on it. This tells Squarespace you're ready to build a new automated workflow. You'll now see a list of automation types or presets you can choose from. These might include things like a welcome series when someone joins your list, or follow-up emails after a purchase. Click on the automation type that best matches what you want to achieve. If you're unsure, pick the option that gets you closest. You can customize it later. After selecting the type, you'll usually see a Next button. Click on Next to move forward and start setting up the emails inside that automation. Squarespace will now show you a range of email templates designed for automations. Browse through them and click on one of the email templates that fits your brand and purpose. You can change images, text, and colors later, so focus on the general layout and structure. Once you've chosen your template, click on Create Automation. This will generate the automation with that email design and bring you into the editing view. Here, you can edit your automation if you want. Adjust the email subject lines, body copy, images, and timing of when each email is sent. Make sure your triggers, delays, and audience settings all match your goals. When everything looks right and you're happy with your setup, click on Activate. Your automation is now live, and Squarespace will start sending these emails automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met.